Well done, Joe. I hope you're happy now.
I had to do this.
Yeah, I know. But did I tell you I'm allergic to human intestines splattered all around me?
You are?
Just do what you gotta do and tell me when we're out of here. And stay close, please.
You alright?
No, I'm not all right.
What happened?
I tripped over some legs.
Harrison. Always an asshole. Even after death.
I don't really want to talk about it. Let's just go.
Mind your head, Agnes.
Ouch! Coast clear yet?
It depends.
It depends. It depends on what?
It depends on how you feel about severed human heads.
Not that good, to be perfectly honest.
Then keep your eyes shut. We're almost done here. You're still not looking, are you?
Why? Is it okay to look now?
No. No. Nothing to see here. Nothing at all.
So you're cooking us dinner now?
No. It's not for us.
Oh, good. Good. Because you're not really meant to fry things in castor oil, you know.
No? I think I'll try anyway.
Hey, I found this fork in the house with all the coffins. You might want to use it for whatever you're doing there.
Thanks.
You're welcome. What you doing there, Joe?
Cooking.
Is that a human head?
Just following a recipe.
I'm sorry for freaking out like that, but that grinding noise, it was too much.
I know. But remember, we're doing this for Ivy.
Yeah, I know. She'd better be worth it. Come on then, and don't forget to take your smoothie.
She's not here. Great.
Maybe she got spooked by the explosion in the bathroom.
No, not spooked. Did you notice that Harrison's body went missing from the home? I bet it's got something to do with her.
You think she took it? But where?
Harrison's room?
The one on the second floor? There's only one way to find out. Let's go.
Ivy! You're alive.
What's wrong with you? You look like you've seen a ghost.
That's because I have.
Come on. You're not the kind of guy who gets scared of ghosts.
No, but that was different. It was Ivy. Right there.
I can't see anything.
She was there. I know what I saw.
You really love your Ivy, don't you?
She wanted me to let her go. But I just couldn't do it. No matter what, I could never stop loving her.
The thing with us women is that sometimes we say one thing and mean exactly the opposite. Did you ever notice?
Well, yeah, I guess.
I wasn't there, so I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure she didn't want you to go.
Then I was right, for once.
Ha! I'd give you a medal if I had one, but I don't, so how about a fist bump?
Sure.
Oh, it's you. Hello. Come in, come in. Oh, aren't you going to say hello, darling? We've got visitors. You must forgive Harrison. He's feeling a bit poorly today.
No worries. Let him sleep.
Oh, I'm so excited. We've had a good talk, and he's promised to change his ways. Now, he will never walk away from me again.
Lucky you. I've got something for you.
Oh, how nice! What is it?
I've found this recipe for a smoothie.
My secret recipe! Oh, I couldn't remember where I'd left it.
Well, I've got it, and I made it for you.
Sweet. It's been one crazy day. I'm ravenous. I should be on a diet, but I can start from tomorrow, right? Just don't tell Harrison. So good.
Are you feeling all right?
Yes. Wait. I don't know. Left a funny aftertaste in my mouth. Do you add oregano? Oh. Oof. My stomach. I feel sick and bloated. What's happening to me?
What have we done, Joe?
We did what we had to do.